So as you come in, we're on the 29th floor of the Paris Hotel. That's the front door you come in. And as you come in, there's a pandy in front of you. To the right, here's the bathroom. Lots of towels. Lovely mirror. Nice lighting in here, really nice lighting. Toilet, more towels. The shower is absolutely huge with shampoo and conditioner and body wash. Looks fantastic. Look at that shower. Can you see it? Oh, that's going to be good. I'll try that out in just a second. And it's got a seat in there as well. And then, as you come through, the double bed. Somewhere to sit, some artwork. And I was going to say USBs, but they're plug sockets. USBs on there and phone charger. Nice headboard. Yeah, it is a nice shower. That's the where you hang up all your clothes and everything. It's called a wardrobe. I couldn't think of the name then. So it's got an ironing board, lots of drawer space, and what's in here? A safe and a mini fridge. Is there anything in the mini fridge? Nope, nothing in the mini fridge. And then another wardrobe here. And then this is the mini bar. I'm losing my words because we've just got off at over a 10-hour flight. So that's the mini bar there, which we can look at, but we won't be using any of it. And then seating area there, we just dumped our bags. On this side there's a clock. I really can't think of the words for anything. And there's one of these here. There you go, for ice. Our view is quite nice, very nice in fact. It's looking over the race area. Pretty sure that's going to be the race area over there, or some of the race area. So that is, there you go, that's a room tour of a room, standard room in the Paris Hotel.